Pronunciation of letters A and E according to vowel letters. Pronunciation of letters A and E according to vowel letters. Enjatula y'ennukuta E ne E. Enjatula y'ennukuta E ne E. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see the difference in pronunciation of letters A and A according to vowel letters. Leo tugenda kulaba enjatula ya A ne E. And what's the difference? So stick around. Let's start. Katu tandike. Please note, according to vowel letters, letter A is pronounced as A. Repeat after me. A. Yes, A. So here the mouth opens a bit wider. A. A. Otuba twogera ennyukuta E according to vowel letters tugamba A. A. Damu. Yes. A. When pronouncing letter E according to vowel letters, we say E. E. Repeat after me. E. Yes. Otuba twogera ennyukuta E, twogera E. E. So, A, according to alphabet letters, in vowel letter is pronounced as A, while E is pronounced as A. And remember, vowel letters help in pronunciation. For further reference on vowel letters, refer to this video. Okay, let's have some examples. Remember, A equals A. A bajita A. E bajita E. E bajita E. Okay, let's learn some words. Number 1. Ka. Ka. Repeat after me. Ka. A is in the middle. So, ka. Emmotoka. Emmotoka. Apple. 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 Okay, let's proceed. Cat. Cat. Repeat after me. Okay. Kappa. Kappa. Cat. Kappa. Rat. Rat. Emmesi. Emmesi. Rat. Emmesi. Flat. Flat. Kalina. Kalina. Flat. Kalina. Canada. 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 Canada is a country in Europe. So Canada. Canada. Bag. Bag. Ensau. Ensau. Bag. Ensau. And. Ne. Ne. So and in Luganda is ne. So and is used as a joining word in English. So ne in Luganda. Okay, let's have some words with letter E. And E, according to vowel letters, we've said is pronounced as A. A. Okay. Pen. 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 Ekalamu ya bwino. Ekalamu ya bwino. Ekalamu ya bwino. Rent. 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 Okupangisa. 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 Okay, let's proceed. Bed. 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 Ekitanda. 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 Okay. Head. Head. Omutwe. Omutwe. Head. Omutwe. Land. 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 Okuwola. 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 Elephant. 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 Enjovu. 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 Elephant is enjovu. End. 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 Okumaliriza. 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 Open. 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 Okuggulawo. 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 Open. Okuggulawo. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Hope you now know the difference between A and A when pronounced. Bye bye. Wait a